Hey guys, welcome to King Gamer Coder and Arthur channel guys. In this video we are gonna play Truck Driver City Crash game. So let's get started. ये पार्ट्स भी है यार. In this game पर हम मिलिट्री ट्रक भी खोल सकते हैं यार. In this like in English I'll tell यार. In English in this I can bring a truck. I can the military truck. I'll show you how to get military truck. It's too easy and simple. And I'll show you this country. I mean its game name is Naxix. So I'll shoot some. Okay yaar. I came here. Come, let's get started. I'm offing the video. Okay guys, I'm getting started. Okay, I came guys. Finally. Okay, I came. So I need bike or car. I need bike or car. Oh, we have to go. And is there something? Wow. I will be just here. Yeah, I will take this car. I need this car. Get lost, you man. Oh, this is the speediest car ever in this game. I can play in bike. I can go in the mountain hills. No. And guys, I saw one box. How to take that box on myself? How to jump, high jump. No. Okay, I have refilled. I need my gun now. Oh my god, 164 bullets. Wow. This is my starting game here. I played 2 or 3 times. Wow. This is very nice. I can get so much money over here only. Okay. Now I saw another gift box. So I have to take even that. So come on, what? Again. Wow, we can refill ammo for something. Okay guys, not here. Now I'll come here. See to Hey, again. Hey guys, did you see the magic? Again it came after I pick also. Yes, no, I killed that lady. Ooh. Oh my god. Another gift box here. Here it is. Wow guys. And wow, and so much money with me. Thank you for giving this much money. This game. Again I'll see how much. Hey, what? 654 bullets. Oh, wait one minute, guys. Oh, I think I have stuck here. No, I can't. I think again the box will be, I think. This game is full of again and again. What? Again the box. Come on, yaar, I'll shoot again. It's okay, lose only 1 bullet, boy. You will get so many rewards. So much. A secret, yaar. Oh, sorry. You have to waste 2 bullets. Yes. Oh wow! Again. What this year? Amazing. 654. Okay. Now I'll get. And then 664. Okay, guys. I understood. Now if I go again that side means again the box will be. I'll be doing for 100 times better. Oh, where's the box? Die! Hey, there's another box here. First, go and take that box first. Yeah, this box. Dash. Come here. Jump. Okay, I'll show. Wow! These many. Wow! This is a magic power to get these many. I told 2 or 3 times I am seeing this magic. That's why I actually had to have 54 bullets. I came to 600 bullets. Did you see? Oh, money. I need money, more money, and hey, my vehicle got damaged. Oh. Out any vehicle here? Nahi, no vehicle here. Let I'll be seeing. Hide. Wow, I got the box. Hey, one bike. Hit him. Out. I fall down like a mongoose. Okay. I'll go little back. Yeah. Now I'll shoot. Again I'll get. Did you see how much money? Money. Okay, I want to go to shopping and see how much money I have. What? Alright guys, this is an ad. So I'll go again off and we'll come here. 100 rupees. 8,000 I have. What you are thinking? What? 28,000. Red pistol. 9,500. What yeah? Yeah, heavy I need. What? 13,000. 5,000 gems. 39,000. And what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I can't to get so much money. Like till uncountable. So I'll fight with him. Oi! Hey you! Sorry. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. I told you don't make me angry and he shot me. That's it. I will kill. Everyone stuck with me. Traffic jam. Wow! Again it came back. What a wow. Tell a salute for wow. Okay guys. And no guys here. Where? Only 2. What is this here? Only 2. Okay, it's okay. This I'll take. Okay, how many bullets are? Oh, 741 bullets. Okay. Now 100 pledged also. Did you see the 100 plus? No, we have to not waste time here. Come, let's. I need an army truck right now. I have to do something. Police. Police out. Police. No, no, no. 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 No, guys. I have to run away, yaar. Oh. Here only my health line is gone. My experience is this much. Ha. Oh my god! Oh, police भी आ गया. Means in I will tell police chain. You have to come down, come down. Woohoo! Bye, you idiots. But you got military truck now, guys. Don't shoot no one. And shoot नहीं करना. No! Shit! हम क्या कर दिया? Means what did I do now? I only done. What is this? But don't shoot यार. Don't shoot. Shoot मत नहीं करना है टाइम पर. In this time don't shoot यार. Don't shoot in this time. बॉक्स आ गया. बॉक्स यार बॉक्स. And और देखो यार एक. Hey. Whoa. जाओ यार. मेरा बॉक्स है. This is my box, guys. I won't allow no one to take my box. What this lady thought that I'm gonna do next. But my health line. So I'll go. Hey, my health line. Oh, my experience should be more still. If little more, I'll get my full health. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll come here. Oh, a idiot means one person is here. Be careful. Okay, come this way. Funk music. I like this. Okay, guys. Come on, guys. What? Police, don't shoot here. They'll lose my life only. I will come here. That's my secret, guys. The secret, they know that everyone will get money because of that. What? The girl is. Woohoo! This is also one secret. And there's one box over there. See where I'm pointing. First, I'll get down and take this. I think this police should not get any proof. Yeah. I got bullets. How many I have? Wow, 751. First time, guys. I got 100 bullets. Drop me there. Okay, come here, guys. Yes. Sorry, guys. Here I need them. Police. Oh, no one should rob. No one should rob. If someone robs means I won't allow. No thing yaar. Okay, come on, I have this much. What an ad! This is an ad. Take this ad away. Okay guys, come on. What how to buy this knife? No, I won't listen to missions. I won't listen to missions. I won't buy that bike forever. I mean that this knife I won't buy forever. This is what 5,000 we need here. Here, yeah, kill. Wow, pickaxe. This is pickaxe. Woohoo! What's this here? I think pickaxe is strongest. What? This is 13,000. However, I'll get guys. But this is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is not a good money rate. 3 lakhs is a very bad money rate. So I'll shoot some persons. Okay. Guys. Come on, come on. Oh, blast. I saw it's blast. Hey. Guys. Next time, box and bullets. Come on. Let's go. Okay, come. No one can rob my army truck. And see this. I'll get my bullet. 9 bullets. And box. There's a box. Get down here. Evidence. What? 893. Hey, guys. Hey, 200 bullets more I got. Hey. What this, guys? Woohoo. Oh, guys. I'm master in this, guys. Woohoo. See. What? 1061 bullets. Wow, nice, guys. This is very, very, very nice, funny and epic. Come on, guys. I'll watch another box. Another box. Where's another? Hey, yeah, guys. There. I know. Yeah, I saw that. See the target point I'm showing? See, direct is the box. Come on. I have 1061, guys. I showed you 600. So in this video, I showed you 400 bullets more. Oh my god, many. So bye guys, thank you for watching. This is the secret of this. So please, thank you for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe to Mr. King Gamer Coder channel, and don't miss to click on the bell icon, and you can receive all my notifications on my channel. So have a goodbye guys. Bye guys. Wait 1 minute guys.